Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Welcome to my channel. We had NVDA earnings last night and it's recovered all the losses. Unbelievable. We had like NVDA was down at one point, more than 6%. You can see here from top to the bottom after earnings happened. It was down 6.3%. And look what they did. They recovered everything towards the market open. Unbelievable, guys. Just unbelievable. Earnings were good, but I think they were worried about the guidance. But look what market does, just tricks everybody. So we covered everything. So where we are right now, you can see Nasdaq. As soon as earnings happened, touch boom exactly to the dot, my buy zone, and then again recovered everything. So where we are right now here. So the higher we go, the better it would be short entry. So you should be looking to actually this is market is near all-time high, so you should be only looking for shorts in my opinion. Like this is not the time you should be looking for longs. And September is very volatile, so I would say just if you're taking longs, be very quick, okay? So this is the area above 23, let's say 23,700 and up. This is the area you should be looking to short. S&P 500, very similar story. Boom, after NVIDIA earnings came to the buy zone. Now you should be looking to short above 65.10. Okay, this is S&P 500. Bitcoin also recovering now, and actually again little bit with Nvidia earnings, but now again it's in the sell zone here. So you should be looking to take profit. It's near resistance. Wait for it to go back below 111. Let's say 111,300 to buy again. All right. So that's where we are. So let's look at long-term chart, guys. Please hit the like button as I'm going through these. I appreciate that. And this is oops, not this chart. This is also a pretty interesting chart. This is a volume profile, point of control. So point of control is where we are right now. This is all-time high. If we go lower, point of control is around 64.86. This is S&P 500. I don't like to show this chart a lot because people get too confused. This is S&P 500 chart, long-term chart. Looking for a touch of red line, which is 65.54, will be a great shot. I'm looking for a dip to buy it near orange line. So we'll also keep an eye on RSI. If it touches top red line, that's a good shot. If it goes to bottom green line, that's a good buy. So we'll keep an eye on this daily. Let's look at daily chart and how things are looking. This is S&P 500. You can see just grinding near resistance. And like I said yesterday, all these gaps, you can see at some point will be down filling these gaps. So at some point in future will be below the price here. So look to take profits, be on cash as soon as you can. MES, you can see finding support on 10 moving average, acting as a very strong support and just trying to grind higher. But again, we're near resistance. So just trying its best to break out, but not happening. So right now here, I'll be very careful, guys. I keep telling you again and again, we are really going nowhere since here, July. We're going nowhere. Just same prices here. You can see very close to there. MNQ, similar story. You can see here. Actually, we are at the same price till like July. Same thing, July. Uh, Nothing is moving, guys. Just chopping around here. Again, MNQ is back at resistance, and you can see, okay, yeah, we do have some gaps up around from where we closed yesterday. We do have gaps 0.6 to 1% above higher, but you can look at all the bottom gaps. Risk is to the downside, guys, not to the upside. So even if it goes higher, you should be looking to short, like I said, on around 23,700 area for MNQ, NASDAQ area. Bitcoin here trying to reverse, but I don't see any divergences. I personally would like another push down, a new low, so that I can see some divergences on RSI. I don't see it right now. So when that happens, that will be a good area to go long. But if you look at BTC gaps, here are the gaps. There is obviously a gap here around 116, so definitely Bitcoin can go higher and fill that gap. All depends on today's session. But if that doesn't happen, then if it gets rejected here, then it might be going lower near 200 moving average. So have an open mind. Surely both gaps can get filled. Just a matter of time. September is going to be very weak seasonality wise, so just be very careful. Bond market again had a nice bounce, went lower. It was a good buy if you got it. Like I will show you on ZB. Very easy trade on with this indicator. You can see came touching red green line again and again and bounce. Every time it touched green line, sorry, green line, it bounce, bounce, bounce. So it was a very good trade. Now again going towards red line. So we'll see how it goes. Um, let's go back to daily chart. Here you go. There's some banks reporting earnings. I did get into banks end of day yesterday. Quick trade, both are up 5 and 2%, so that was a good move. TD probably going here to previous all-time highs to touch this gap around 78, 80, and 84. So I think TD from where it is right now, it's possibly going around 1.29% to 2.95% higher. So easily for 5% it can pump. CIBC is already at all-time high, so sky's the limit. So we'll see how these trades play out. Moving along to any other, oh, VIX. Let's look at VIX. How VIX is down 4%. VIX is also down, so coming near this gap fill around 13.79. That can happen and then it can reverse later. Apart from that, Tesla is just still at all-time, not all-time high, still at previous highs. So let's see, a pullback will be possible. Just let's see how things shape up. NVDA daily chart, again, I said it had a nice 6% move and again recovered everything. It will be interesting near resistance. I will be surprised if they don't dump it throughout the session because even with the good earnings, it goes higher and next day it comes lower. Now it was good, but not as expected. But so I'll be surprised if they keep pumping higher. CrowdStrike also near 200 moving average uh, earnings. So let's see if they're gonna pick this up. Apart from that, Apple is helping. I think this new iPhone 17 is coming. So again, gap at the top, gap at the bottom, right now in the middle. Most of these stocks are like uh, Microsoft is a good buy. I did buy this and sold it after getting an 8 counts buy signal. It was a quick profit, but Microsoft looks like it wants to make a U-turn. Um, but again, Nasdaq is telling us we are at new all-time high, so I will be like waiting patiently to buy, find opportunities other way, other sides, like crude oil, for example, right? Very close to the buy zone. So if it jumps back again in this green box, look to buy natural gas. Also, you can see looks like trying to reverse, but it's finding resistance on this 20 moving average. Gold, gold is getting 7 count sell signal. Very interesting. Last time we got 8, 9, had a nice sell off. So let's see if they're gonna do that or it's gonna break out. Silver is breaking out for some reason. Dollar here is also going down. That's why gold and Bitcoin are surging today. Apart from that, MicroStrategy again near 200 moving average, just chopping around, building some momentum for a reversal. Looks like CNQ had a nice bullish day yesterday. I missed this dump by 1 cent. They did not take my order. Nice reversal here. And X is getting a 7 counts buy signal. Last time we had a reversal next day. So we'll see. We're gonna get reversal soon. And Loblaws also looks like trying to recover along with Costco. There you go. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Let's see, interesting session. Again, I think market could go higher to fill some of these gaps, like I said, on Nasdaq and S&P 500, but be very cautious and take profit as soon as possible. And if you want to know more about indicators and the stocks I'm buying and selling, subscribe to my channel. Link in the bottom left description of this video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.